Okay, we want to find the values of b such that the line y equals 2x plus b is a tangent to the parabola y equals 2x squared plus 6x minus 5. So we've got to remember at a particular point somewhere, there's your line, there's your parabola, and there's your tangent, and they have the same coordinates at that particular point. I'm going to call them capital X, capital Y. Now that means that from the point of view of the tangent, it'll be x and 2x plus b. And from the point of view of the parabola, the coordinates will be x and 2x squared plus 6x minus 5. But they're the same point. So we need some information now to help us out with this. And what is it that you know about tangents to curves? And that's right, you know that they have the same gradient as the curve at that point. So at the point in question, the gradient of the curve is dy dx is 4x plus 6, right? At the point in question, the gradient is 2. And I know this because the gradient of the tangent is 2. And at that particular point where it's a tangent to the parabola, the gradient of the parabola has also got to be 2 at that point, right? So our 4x at that particular point, 4x plus 6, has got to equal 2 at the particular point x. And I can find out what that point is. 4x equals minus 4, x equals minus 1. So I've just now made my life a little bit easier because I know x is minus 1. So I can actually go over to this information that I've put here and put in that x is minus 1. So I'll do that now. I'll put in that x is minus 1. All right, so now I can just work out the answer because it is that y value is the same y value whether you consider it from the point of view of on the line tangent or on the curve. It's the same. So I can equate those y values together. So I'll do that now. The 2 minus 1 plus b has got to be the same as the 2 minus 1 squared plus 6 minus 1 minus 5. Oh, I forgot to. Yeah, I'm going to fix that and make that all nice there. I'm going to pop the minus 1 in like it should have been. There we go. Now, let's work this out. So minus 2 plus b is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 5. So minus 2 plus b equals minus 9. So b is equal to minus 7. So the value, there's only one value of b that works, and that's when b is minus 7. And it looks like it's on the other side to what I actually drew because it's got a negative gradient, whereas mine, I just drew a random example of what might happen, and the way I've drawn it's got a positive gradient.